Hello folks, hope you're all doing fantastic. Today I've got a product that's just too good to pass up, so let's jump in and take a closer look. You're definitely going to want to hear about this one. Starting off with the design, it's super stylish, sleek, modern, and just plain cool. Want to know more? I've put all the details in the description, and the best part, the price. For something that looks and feels this premium, it's surprisingly affordable. I was blown away by how well priced it is without compromising on quality. Deals like this are hard to come by. It's also incredibly adaptable. Whether it's for your office, living room, or even as a gift, this product just works in so many settings. It's that one reliable